Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I do my little Birthstone challenge. Challenge yourself to play and color. This month is March. It is Aquamarine. I am super late. I've been distracted lately along with most other people in the world. But I've busted out this fun little look. If you'd like to see how I got this look, continue watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to know when I upload, since it is quite inconsistent because of my work schedule. Anyhow, continue watching. Thank you. All right, so here we are. This month's stone is Aquamarine. I almost forgot to do the video just with everything that's been going on. I've been really having a hard time focusing. Really, it's just like constantly like sidetracking me. Anywho, so let's do it now. I think today's the 30th. I'm not saying that to be cute. I film on my phone. It's the weekend. I think it's the 30th. So I will try to film this and just get it right up. Anyhow, so it's gonna, oh, there's Smeagol. I forgot where it's at. So yeah, so it's Aquamarine, which is like bluish green. It's gorgeous. It's one of my favorite stones. I just love, love, love it. So I'm just gonna try to work that out into a look. I feel like lately I've done a blue look, but whatever, we're going for it. So first things first, I'm gonna take Blur from my melt stack and start buffing that along my crease. Smeagol's joined the video. What are you doing? While I'm here, I'm just gonna run a little bit of that under my lash line. All right, so out of my Morphe Icy Fantasy palettes, they have this color right here that looks bluish green to me. So I'm gonna start packing that on the lid and see what that looks like. So pretty. I really like that color. Okay, so my right eye is starting to water. That's really irritating me. So I'm gonna go down to the lower lash line and take a little bit of Unseen and buff that down there. Still just using like a pretty big fluffy brush, really. Okay, so I think to just give a little bit of depth, although I kind of like it a little bit more like, not fairy-esque, but like light and airy, I'm gonna do a little bit more depth towards my lower lash line using this little e.l.f. compact and the bite-sized palettes. And I'm just gonna use this color here, which is like a dark smoky blue, very charcoaly blue. And just run that along the lower lash line. Kind of going straight to open up this area right there. All right, I'm gonna blend that out. So that's the look so far. My eye watering is really starting to annoy me, and it's low-key playing the look. But what can we do? Okay, so I am gonna take this NYX pencil in vanilla, and I'm gonna kind of put that under the waterline and right in there to brighten that up. I'm gonna go on top of it with another color after. This look's gonna go with my little army shirt. So stupid. All right, so I have the color NYX in the inner brightener in mint cream, and I have ColourPop in Prance. So this lower one is mint green, the top one is Prance. I think I'm gonna use mint green. And top that vanilla with that. Okay, I likely just cut that out because this eye is giving me such technical difficulties with its watering. So I like how this looks. I really like how this looks, and I would wear this out. I'm gonna pack on a little bit more of that color. So there's like this, not the same, but it's like the teal green, but it's a shimmer. Not that. This right here. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Do I want to highlight with that? Yeah, I want to highlight with that. Might as well, right? We're here. That makes a pretty highlight. All right, I'm gonna throw on some not lashes, I'm gonna throw on some mascara and see what I think, if I wanna add more. Oftentimes I can gauge if I wanna add more once I have mascara on. I'm not gonna do lashes because I do not wanna cover up what is this eye look. Okay, I have my mascara on, and I use the same two that I used in every video, the Petite and Pretty and the Grande. For my lips, I just use this gel liner by Appeal in the color Stripped. I love how this turned out. I wish my eye wasn't watering. Oh, that's awkward. But I think it's cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. I would wear this out. I think that the inner corner being really shiny, sparkly, I don't know, the inner corner hits really, really well. Anyhow, please like, subscribe if you want to see any more of my videos. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when I upload, because I do not have a consistent schedule whatsoever. Anyhow, thank you. Bye. Bye.